With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question is calculate the amount of each reactant required to produce 750 ml of carbon dioxide when 2 volumes of carbon monoxide combine with 1 volume of oxygen to produce 2 volumes of carbon dioxide, and the reaction is given 2CO plus O2 gives 2CO2. So in this question we have to calculate the amount of the reactants, that is mass of each reactant, that is carbon monoxide and oxygen, that is required to produce 750 ml of carbon dioxide when 2 moles volumes of carbon monoxide and 1 volume of oxygen combine to form 2 volumes of carbon dioxide. So according to this, that is 2CO plus O2, it forms 2CO2. So we are given that 750 ml of carbon dioxide is required to produce. So we have to calculate the amount of the carbon monoxide and oxygen, and amount is the mass of each reactant. Now from this given equation, from the stoichiometry, it means 2 moles of carbon monoxide are required to produce 2 moles of carbon dioxide. It means 2 moles of CO are required to form 2 mole of carbon dioxide, or we can say 1 mole of carbon monoxide is required to produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Now the number of moles, they are equal to, number of moles are calculated as, number of moles is equal to given weight of the substance upon its molecular weight. Now we have to calculate the weight of carbon monoxide, so we will let it as x grams for 1 mole of carbon monoxide divided by its molecular weight. So molecular weight of carbon monoxide will be atomic weight of carbon, that is 12, plus atomic weight of oxygen, that is 16. So it will be 28 grams. So x by 28, that will be equals to 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Now we are given the volume of carbon dioxide that is required to produce, which is 750 ml given. Now we know that at STP conditions, 1 mole of gas, it occupies 22.4 liters of gas, or we can say 22.4 liters of gas is equal to 1 mole. So if we apply this for 1 liter of gas, it would be 1 by 22.4 moles, and we have 750 ml. So 750 ml of the gas will be equals to how many moles? 750 divided by 22.4 liters. So we will convert this into milliliters. So it will be multiplied by 1000. So this is in milliliter and this is also in milliliter. So that will be equals to 750 upon 22400. 750 ml and this. So the number of moles of carbon monoxide in terms of volume will be equal to this. First we can write it as volume upon 22.4 liters, or we can write it as x by 28 equals to 750 upon 22400. So now we can calculate the amount of carbon monoxide, that is x. It will be equals to 750 into 28 divided by 22400. So this is in gram, and this is equal to 0.9375 grams. It means this amount of carbon monoxide is required. This is the mass of carbon monoxide required. So we have calculated this using comparing the stoichiometry, that 2 moles of carbon monoxide are required to 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Now to calculate the amount of oxygen required, it is 1 mole of oxygen is required to produce 2 moles of carbon dioxide, or we can say half mole of oxygen is required to produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So it will be equals to 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Now the number of moles of oxygen, they are be equal to, if we let's say the weight of oxygen as Y, so number of moles will be, it will be equals to half into mole of oxygen. So moles will be equal to given weight upon molecular weight. Let us suppose the given weight of oxygen is Y and its molecular weight of oxygen is 16 plus 16, that is 32 grams, equals to, similarly we have put the terms of volume, terms of moles in volume, that is equals to 750 divided by 22400. So we can calculate value of Y from here, that will be equals to 750 into 2 into 32 divided by 22400, that will be equal to, so this is equal to 2.142 grams. So this amount of oxygen is required to produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide. This is the amount of oxygen so answers to this question is, the amount of carbon monoxide required is 0.9375 grams and amount of oxygen required is 2.142 grams. So these are the amounts of the reactants required to produce 750 ml of carbon dioxide. I hope you understood it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.